Hello everyone, I am Navnath. Today I will explain you methods in Java. Methods means block of code which start with curly bracket and perform some specific task. Difference between function and methods. In Java, function concept are not used because function means we can use the function out of class, but method only used in class. We cannot use out of class the method. Therefore, Java does not support function. In Java, we can only use the methods. Methods have mainly two types: predefined method, user defined method. Predefined method means inbuilt method. The predefined method not have body. Predefined method ends with semicolons. But user defined methods means user can be write this method and use in the program. User defined method start with curly bracket and end with also curly bracket. Predefined function, some example as a short, int next, square. These are the predefined method. User defined method as a addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. In user defined method, data will be declared by the users and perform some task. Method have mainly two types: predefined and defined methods. Syntax of method. Syntax of method. Method start with return type and then method name and then bracket. In below the curly bracket start and some data or variable can be defined and some task will be written and curly bracket end. When main method call this sub method, then it can be run. Method can be public, private, protected or default. Public method can be access another package, but private method can be accessed only in the class. We do not write protected to the before the class, but protected access modifier we can use in a inner class. When we do not write any access modifier, then automatically default will be called. We can use static method. When we use static method, then static main method directly call this method and we do not need any create object. But when we use non-static method, then static main method directly do not access this method. For accessing this method, we need to be create object of this method. By creating object, we can perform this method. Method have four subtype: take something, return something, take something, return nothing, return nothing, take nothing, take nothing, return something. This return something means method take the parameter from the main method or which method call this method, this pass the parameter. Return nothing matlab this method do not return any parameter or value to the main method. Take something matlab the variable value can be assigned from the main method. Return something matlab the return type may be int, float or any other data type. In return type method return something value to the main method or its calling method. So these are the four type of method. We can use method in the Java program. Thank you.